Man, YouTube, bro, y'all gotta see this, bro. Alright. So I got a game winner and a block shot. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. Alright, this what happened. I gave him a little space, boom, blocked it. Came in the court like 3 seconds up on the clock. You see 3.3 up there. And busted up a Talos' face. If you want to see it even better, look at the shot clock. Look at me right here. Boom! So Talos, this nigga like, oh my god, this nigga wood is nasty. But y'all, look at this full replay though. Talos, no time, boom. Ooh. Hold on, Joey.